Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Handing out the award are Irving Santiago, Maricris Nicasio, and Ana Pingol of Speed.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Eddies at ng Speed, syempre sa Stars Cinema, Viva Films for coming together to make this reunion project happen. Derek Peterson, Vargas for guiding us and holding our hand throughout this whole process. Our co-actors, hi Kyla, congratulations! And of course to my leading man, Joshua Garcia. Hi Josh, congratulations. I'm so proud of what we continue to build together through storytelling. So this is for us.
Ako po ulit, on behalf of Mr. Joshua Garcia, maraming salamat po for this recognition. Congrats, Jill.
Thank you po.
The next award is presented to a compelling story of redemption, justice, and humanity. This movie made waves with its outstanding direction, storytelling, and performance.
Isang pagpupugay sa husay ng Pinoy as we present the Box Office Heroes Award to the stars of Green Bones, Ruru Madrid, and Dennis Trillo.